This is how you know she is lying, trying to position herself to be more in the center. Number one, she said her values have not changed since 2019, 2020 in the CNN interview.
Is going to be your policy moving forward?
Dana, I think the most important and most significant aspect of my policy perspective and decisions is my values have not changed.
Then she was to the left of Bernie Sanders, which is to the left of a socialist. And then recently she comes out and she told Al Sharpton that she would sign a reparations bill when it came to her desk.
In the area of reparations for descendants of Africans enslaved. If you elected president, would you sign that bill if it came across your desk?
When I am elected president, I will sign that bill.
No one in the center would sign a reparation bill that makes taxpayers pay for something that no one alive has participated in. All right, this completely destroys any argument for Kamala being a moderate. So if you're in the center and you hear this, don't be a fool. She's lying to you.